So today we are near Newbury in this incredible home out in the countryside. And in this video, I'm going to be talking you through this pergola, an outdoor kitchen that we have just installed. So this house is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, it's more of a country estate. I mean, you can look at the land, the garden behind me. I mean, you wouldn't be surprised to see giraffes and elephants running around, things like that. But they've had a full renovation over the property for the last 3 years. You can see they've got this swimming pool complex behind you here, this whole patio here. And, you know, one of the last parts of it was this outdoor cooking and entertainment area that they wanted. So each side of this pergola has got a different sort of screen, and the whole idea was that people would be able to sit here, they'd be able to have bar stools behind that, and they'd be able to see the garden in front, they'd be able to see the garden to the side here. They've got it blocked off there, but whilst being able to stay undercover. So you can see on this aspect here, we've got these glass sliding doors. So these slide like this, these close completely, you can lock them, and that seals the shelter completely on that side. On this side here, we've got louvered sliding doors. So these sliding doors, they can be closed completely and the louvers can be open, so you can still see through to the garden. On this side here, you've got the louvered screens again. So these louvers are fixed. You can't slide them, but you can push the louvers open and close like that. So you can still allow wind and draft to come through. On this aspect, the last one, you then have this pull down screen. Because they're going to have bar stools along here, they wanted to be able to have somewhere so we could lift it right up and people could sit here. And you can see now that this comes down and up, so it provides protection from the elements, but still allows you to have this open space to have the bar stools underneath it. So looking at the kitchen itself, this kitchen is a Napoleon Oasis kitchen. So these are powder coated aluminium frames and they have stainless steel drawer and door fronts. So starting from this end here, you can see we've got what's called a universal cabinet. So you open that up in there. That has got the gas in there. It's also got the electrics and everything for the barbecue there. Coming along to here, this is the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. So this is a 7-burner barbecue. It's absolutely huge. It's about 1 meter wide. It's got your 5 main burners. It's got an infrared back burner. It's got a smoker tray there as well. You can put flavored wood chips in there. That has its own burner as well. When it's plugged in, the power's not actually on at the minute, but when it's plugged in, this all lights up. You've got internal lights as well. The whole thing is 304 stainless steel. It comes with a 25-year warranty as well, which is absolutely incredible. That sits on an undergrill unit, so you've got 2 huge pan drawers underneath there, so big enough to keep pizza peels in there. You can keep covers in there, lots and lots of space for storing things. Coming along to here, this is a 3-drawer unit, so again, always handy having storage outside. And this kitchen itself is independent, completely independent. Here, this is the Gozney Dome, so this is the off black color. Gozney, we are in September 2025. Gozney have now stopped making these. They're going to be replaced with the Generation 2 domes and the Dome XL as well. So they'll be coming out in October, I think. But this is a dual fuel, so it will run on gas or it will run on wood. These get to heat in about 20 minutes, something like that, and then it'll be like 90 seconds to cook a pizza. So underneath the Gozney here, you've got this cupboard here, and that is purely for the gas underneath there. We've run the gas hose up through the worktop at the back and into the back of the Gozney there. And then to the right of that, you have got here the Napoleon single fridge. That's a stainless steel fridge, glass front, perfect for keeping all your food, keeping all your drinks cold in there. There's plenty of room as well for keeping lots of stuff in there. Over here, you've got a stainless steel sink and tap. We've got a universal cupboard underneath there as well. The customer is actually going to have a hot water heater as well underneath there. So you can see they've got the power there. All of the waste and everything can go out the back. To the right of that, well, for this island section here, you've got 2 3-drawer units either side. And in the middle here, you've got a tea towel holder and a pull-out bin. So you can really see that you've got tons of storage, all the different aspects have been covered. For the worktop on this one, this is Decton. So this is a 20mm Decton. I can't remember the name of the colour, but it's a light grey colour and it works really well with the anthracite and the stainless steel of the units. And you can see that on this side here, we've overhung the the worktop by 300 mil to create a bar island. So it's still within the shelter, but you've got this great sort of serving area, but also a bar seating area where friends and family can sit. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and this shelter and kitchen. It really is, it ticks all of the boxes. Everything is enclosed. It could be shut down for winter to be kept clean. It's got all of the cooking appliances. It's got water. It's completely independent from the inside kitchen. So if you'd like to watch another video, like, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We try and release these videos at least once a week, just to give you inspirational ideas if you're looking for one. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook and TikTok, so head over there and give us a follow if you want to see what we're currently up to. We try and post on there 2-3 times a week. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.